35. Interface skip in usage. Static interface. Double interface. Define an interface requiring do work on a blueprint for classes. Number 46. Anonymous class method. Use anonymous. Create an anonymous class that implement double and print working. Number 47. Lambda expression. Static void. Lambda. Run lambda. Use a lambda expression and use a system out print and run the lambda running. Modern shorthand for a small function. Number 48. Inner class method. Static class outer. Demonstrate an inner method. Print the inner here. Number 49. Constructor method. Sample. Sample constructor. Constructor. Print a constructor called whenever a new simple object is created. Number 50. Countdown cursive, the method that counts down using text code itself until 0, then print done.